Let's see how to draw a trapezium in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, a trapezium is a quadrilateral, meaning it has four sides that only have one pair of sides that are parallel with each other. And so what that will look like is, let's go on and click on the Insert tab. Now click on Shapes, and right here under Shapes, you will see this one right here, which is named Trapezoid. And simply click in your document, and that will automatically insert a trapezoid or a trapezium in your document. And from here on, you can edit the shape as well as the edges and the corners of your trapezium to your desired shape. And that is how you can draw a trapezium in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.